Dude, it's super
Oh my god, are you serious,
That's a
bro?
retailer that I highly recommend.
Hey, we gotta go to Walmart right now.
This video is not endorsed by Canon, and they do not get to see it before
What?
the public. However, this video does have a sponsor.
What?
You hit 100K!
Jordan, did you check the subs, bro?
Wait, dude.
Oh my god, seriously?
Dude, we're...
Jordan!
Dude, that's pretty good.
Hey Jordan, we hit 100K, how do you feel?
I feel good, dude.
Wow, thank you everyone.
I'm sure using the...
Say thanks, Jordan.
Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.
I don't know, I guess we'll do maybe like what should we do? We'll do a
Q&A.
We'll do a 100K Q&A. I guess we'll just do that or something. I don't know, it happens super fast, so that's kind of crazy, huh? That's pretty cool.
Good job, you guys. You did it.
Alright.
So for 100K, we decided to go shopping at Walmart.
Taking Merca. We could do 3 deep in the Corvette.
You like your job.
Right on, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Just a grab from
We need charcoal, plasti dip.
Red Cup, ping pong ball.
We need a mic for the Q&A.
Corvette. Bald eagle.
White. Dang it.
You're here for the stuff, right?
Here for the stuff, bro. He's got the good. Yeah, we're gonna. No, Gabe just invited me to Joshua Tree. Yeah. Oh, we're going to Joshua Tree in fact.
Tree.
I planted my tree a while ago. Finally gonna go check out how big it got.
Hell yeah.
You got the good?
The good.
Oh! Snap on.
Authorized dealer.
Dude, these things are so legit though. Saw Martin wearing it. What's up?
I'm blind everybody with it.
Yoshiko, Germany.
Truck hasn't seen dirt yet, dude. Finally get to see some dirt. With the dually to use.
Get stuck.
Oh, that sucks.
このビデオで2、3万。
Okay. Oh! Oh, boys. We done made it.
最後に数回。
That's what these things are made for, right? Am I doing it right, Koda?
What? Hey, you ain't fast
I
enough.
know, dude. Gosh! Alright.
Freaking low. What the frick?
Why does it move? Ready. Dakota's, mine's in my couple.
Morning.
You slept through that right there?
Hey Josh,
Dakota slept through all that ruckus. No way.
Oh yeah?
Did you video any of that? It was a dirt road for like the past 5 miles here. We're in the middle of nowhere in someone's container home.
Way better.
We're in a container?
Yeah.
What is this?
That's your spot.
That's your room.
Hey, I got my barbecue grill.
Oh, we got barbecue.
Right there.
Filet mignon. Some mac and cheese. I got mashed potatoes in here. You guys are good.
I'm starving.
Yeah, we're all here.
I want to get stuck. It's way more fun. Oh! Jordan, you should get an outdoor view.
I know, can I?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That looks like some jeepney fun. Dang, you should go up here.
Should I?
Yeah, hold on, Gabe. What is going on? I'm about to fall off this thing. Hey,
Hold up.
Try and get this light out of frame so you can.
100K special right here, guys.
100K special.
Thanks for watching.
We're in the desert. Who knows what we're doing out here, but dude, I can get up on this tire. Oh, we're on.
This is definitely not wide enough for that.
This is not sketchy at all.
Josh just sitting on the tire.
Jordan, what are you doing?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
On top of that.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do it again.
God,
Bro, Jordan was literally jeepney riding. That was straight Philippines.
What was that?
This is not Rob's kitchen.
We are now in Gabe's Labyrinth.
If you know,
You know.
IYKYK. Yeah. Wagyu.
Yes, oh sweet.
We're going in, boys. Way too much oil, but you know what? I don't even care at this point. Oh my god, it's amazing. This is done, yeah. All red, it's good to go.
Pink is the best.
Pink is actually
Slytherin.
seems legit. Hey, put your
Alright, yes.
This guy's tight, bro. Do they bite? I don't even know if these things bite.
I heard.
He has some wet stuff coming out of his butt. We are making a brick oven pizza for breakfast. We need to use this, oh my god, this rusty pan. I think they say heat kills bacteria, right? Does it kill rust too?
What are you guys doing? Oh my god.
Did I get that in the background?
What are you doing?
I'm pretty sure I burned all my eyebrows off.
Your hair is fried.
I'm pretty sure I got that on film.
Look at this hair.
We're just gonna make it in the oven.
That's not.
Yeah, look at this, look at this
It's not
idiot.
worth it. We have to make this pizza. I'm pretty sure my hand's gonna be a big bubble in a couple minutes. All right, how do you get this stuff off? Just like
Roll it.
Hey, it's all coming in.
Oh,
Your
that's
hair
the
is
way to,
coming in the house.
that's the way to shave. Like,
What are you doing, Mama?
Maybe it's love.